Oh my gosh, she put powder first, y'all. Shit. Take two. What's up, guys? It's your girl Jau Renee. Excuse my voice, I am a little under the weather, but I wanted to try this new trend that they have going on. It's basically where you draw one side of your face normal, and on this side you draw your eye under here, like on your cheek instead of up here. So I got it from Nikki Tutorials. She gave a shout out to the original beauty gurus who started the trend, so you go check out her video. I'll link her description. I'll link her video and channel in the description below. I'm a little nervous, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I can't even draw my eyebrows normal. Okay, I have good and bad days, so try to draw one upside down first of all. Ugh, bitch. Yeah, we'll see. So first thing first, excuse my hair. I was supposed to take it down like 2 weeks ago. Like seriously, I look a mess. And another disclaimer I want to put out there is I do have on lash extensions, so mine is gonna look a little different because in most of the videos they didn't put a lash on the eye that they did upside down. I'm just gonna have some long ass lower lashes, technically lower lashes on this side or whichever side I decide to do the upside down look. I don't know. So basically what she did was combed her eyebrows up. My eyebrows are much thicker, so it's gonna be kind of hard to cover, and I'm gonna take the glue and just start gluing this bad boy down. She said brush the hairs up so that they lay flat. So what the fuck is this glue doing? Okay, maybe don't go to the fucking dollar store and get the glue. Maybe get some real Elmer's glue, because this shit is not doing anything. I'm going to take my my Rihanna Pro Filter foundation in the color 300, and I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to pat it on there. It's not covering it. Like, oh my gosh, she put powder first, y'all. Shit. Take two. Alright, I'm gonna go in and do the other side of my face off camera, okay, and get my shit together, see which eye look I'm gonna do, and then I will be back. I think I want to do a cut crease. Ooh, how? I can use the light of my fucking bags right now. Okay. Be right back. Oh god, this looks crazy. I have one brow done. I'm trying to figure out what eye look I want to do. I think I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and I don't think I can with lashes on. Now that I look all crazy, my eyebrow still isn't completely covered, but I have some thick brows to try to just completely make them disappear. So I'm not even about to stress myself about it. Forget it. Now I'm gonna go in under my eye and conceal just like I did the right way. I'm gonna go back in with Passion. Alright, now it's time to try this upside down cut crease. So basically I'm going to follow my fucking big ass bags under my eyes. just keep going.
Hello, Mushy.
Like Dory says, just keep swimming.
A pirate ship is the...
It was, I bronzed up my cheek like I usually do over here, and I put the highlighter here, so I figured I would bronze this up like this is my cheek, so I'm going to add highlighter here, right, because that's my cheek, that's where highlight will go, right? Y'all, this looks so crazy. And it looks still messed up because of my lashes, but yeah, I'm gonna throw some lipstick and this will be the final look.
Delivered to your doorstep. Mommy moments with So Yummy. Nachos 2 ways.
Oh my, I look crazy as hell.